A very good morning to everyone. My name is Aikoro Lois, and today we shall be learning about mail merging. Alright, we shall straight away start with our letter. The first thing you do, you type a letter. And what is the use of mail merge? In summary, the use of mail merge is to type one letter. It's not necessarily a letter, but any form of document, and send it to very many people without doing the same thing repeatedly. You type, for example, if the document I want to send is a letter and probably maybe an invitation letter, and I want to send it to like 5 people for my wedding ceremony, so I will not have to type 5 letters. I'll have to type one letter and apply mail merge, and then that's the use of mail merge in summary. So today we shall be looking at how to do that, and I have my letter here, though it's not about the invitation I've talked about. So the first thing you do is, of course, type the document that you want to mail merge on, and mine is this letter. This is the letter I want to send to various people, probably. So the first thing you do once you've clicked your letter, you go under mailings, you click on mailings. When you click on mailings, there's where they say start mail merge, select recipient. So I start my mail merge. Of course, mine is a letter. It can be a letter, it can be an email message, envelopes, labels, directory, and very many. So mine is a letter. Of course, we have not observed any change, right? Very good. The next thing we do is select recipient, as there's an option of typing a new list, and there is an option of using an existing list. So if you already have your existing list in your computer or any form of gadget you're using, you click on it. So I already have a list of people that I want to send this letter to. You get the point. So I click on existing list. So I'll have to search for where I saved my existing list. I saved it on the desktop. And what name is it? What name is my document? My document is the GSB class. I want to send this letter to the GSB class. You get the point? To the GSB class. So when you click on edit recipient list, this is my list. Okay, it has this is the all these are members of the GSB class, and there is Faith Ahura, there is Maureen Kansime, there is Susan Apio, there is Andrew Koech, Simon Okello. But I can decide to sort them in a way that they start with the first name. You get the point? Yeah, so we're going to start with the last name. Yeah, with the last name followed by the first name. It's ascending. So I've rearranged, you see? I've rearranged Andrew Court Faith. Okay. So after rearranging, you click on OK. Editing the existing list is not a mandatory. Yeah. So we're going to go to straight away our mailing. Okay. So here we shall put our greetings, the greeting line. How should it be? Should it be dear sir or madam? There are options, okay? Or to whom it may concern. You select the kind of greeting you want, okay? So I select that. Dear so and so should be there. You get the point? And then let me select okay, we insert other fields. So of course, after when you want to conclude your letter, you always put a salutation and then you sign. Okay, so there is the salutation, and you're expected to sign after that salutation somewhere there, right? So what will be then, because I can't sign for everyone, so what shall we do? We shall have to include those people's first names or last name. I think the last name will work. You get the point? And then after that, you come and you preview. That's how it looks like. Dear Okot Andrew, there it comes, Andrew. So you can see for the first person, for the second person, for the third, for the fourth. After that, you come and finish. So when you're finishing, there is edit individual document, there is print document, and sale email messages. You can want to send these letters via email, you click here, or you can want to print them, or you can want to see each of the emails. All right, from the first one to how many names are there for GSP? There are 5. So when you click on OK, you'll be able to see all the 5 letters. So Okot entry is the first, this is the second letter, the third, the fourth, and the 5th letter. So finally we have come to the end of our mail match. Thanks for listening, thanks for understanding, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye.